Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making the most amazing pumpkin cake. To begin, in a large mixing bowl, we are sifting 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Go ahead and sift to get rid of any lumps. Then whisk to make sure that all the ingredients have been evenly incorporated. Set the flour mixture aside. Now, in another mixing bowl, add in 3 large eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin. Then whisk until you get a smooth consistency. While we are doing this, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now combine the wet and dry ingredients. Then whisk until just combined. Now grease a 9x13 cooking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Transfer the cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Spread it out and smooth it out as even as you can. Now bake at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Place the cake on a wire rack and allow it to cool off. And after baking for 35 minutes, a toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean. While the cake is cooling off, let's make a cream cheese frosting. In a mixing bowl, add in 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. With a hand mixer, mix on medium speed until combined. Then change the speed to high and continue mixing on high for about 2 to 3 minutes or until fluffy, scraping the bottom of the bowl as needed. Once the cake has completely cooled off, spread the icing on top. And to make the cake pretty, we're adding sprinkles. All left to do now is to cut it up and serve. And to make it extra pretty, we're adding a piece of mini pumpkin candy to each piece of cake. Now, you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, the most amazing pumpkin cake. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.